guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you some of the items that I thrifted on behalf of the people who follow me on IG. So if you don't follow me on IG, my handle is DIY with Jojo, and I do live thrift shopping for home decor stuff for the people who follow me on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So today is on Wednesday, and there's some items that I bought last week, and I thought before I wrap them and send them for delivery, I can maybe share with you what was in store so that you can get to see the items that are usually available before they go to a beautiful home. First thing that I'm going to start with is kitchen stuff, and we're going to start with cookware, and we're doing earthware. So earthware stuff, that is what we're going to start with. So the first item, there were quite a number. Let me start with this. I got this. This is like a soup bowl. So it's something that you can cook your soup and you can serve it here. And it has 3 stands, its legs. Yeah, and the best part is the color. The color was so good. And also, if you can see inside, the inside is in good shape. And this was for the prices, you're going to forgive me because I bought cartons. So I'll show you the number of items that I have. So I can't remember everything, and I don't know where I kept the receipt, but this must have been either 450 or 600. So the next item is this set of cookware. So this is how it looks, and also the outside, this is how it is. And this were a set of 4. So this is how they are, all 4 of them. So there's another one, and I loved the color. And the best part about this is you can cook in them, and you can also serve food in these bowls. And this was, they were going for 2. Yeah, 2. A set of 2 was 1,200, but they went to different people because I got 2 on day 1, and then I got the other 2 on day 2. So the other thing that I got are these egg holders, and this is how they look, and I got 2 of them. So these are, if you're serving eggs, if you're doing boiled eggs in the morning and you want to serve them to your guests, you just place your eggs here, and there are 6 holders for the eggs, and these were 600. Yeah, 600. Another item was this sugar dish, and the best part is the bottom part is porcelain, and for the inside you can see how clean it is. And this sugar dish was only going for 450 bob. And then the best part is there's a place where you insert your spoon. So this is a perfect find for anyone who loves pottery. Next thing is this jar, and I loved the finishing. It's so shiny. So this is how the inside looks, and this was going for 50. And the best part is you can serve your gravy, or you can even serve milk using this jar. The next thing is this jar, and it's porcelain, and you can use this to place your muikos and place it on top of your kitchen countertop. I got this was a set. This was a set of 9 or 11. Let me see. So I got these two big bowls, so you can use them in the oven. You can bake stuff in this and you can serve in this. So they were 1, 2, and then we have this one, 3, and it's way darker. It's way darker than it appears on camera. It is a dark brown with a very nice shiny sheen to it. And then so there are these 3, and then we got this was also part of the set. And then we have these small ones. There were 2 of them. And then in here we have this one, this size. Then we go to this small one, and we also have a spoon. So we have this and we have this spoon. So this was a set of, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They were 11, yeah, plus this one, 11 set, and this was going for 3,400. So the next thing is this dish. So you can bake a lot of stuff using this dish. And I love that it is quite large, it is white, and also it is in good shape. This the dishes were going for 1,200 bob. This. And then in the same line of dishes we have this one. So this is the same color as the other set of 4 that I did show you. So this is how it looks. And this you can put in the oven, you can bake your stuff, serve using this dish. It's so classy and it's so unique. So whoever got this was a lucky find. This was also 1,200 bob. We have this last one. This is a bit heavy, and that's the color. So that's how it looks. And this was 2,000. Yeah, this was 2,000 bob, but it's very good. So still on the same line of cookware, we have this was a set of 9. We have 9 of them. I don't want to, but they were 9, same size like this, and this was the bottom part. The 9 set was going for, can't even remember, I think 1,200 bob. We have this heavy pie dish, and it's porcelain, and then the back looks like this, and this is in good condition. This is so nice. So for your, like this is it has a recipe for spaghetti, so you can bake in this, bake and serve in this. This was I think 1,200 shillings, if I'm not mistaken. We have another set of this porcelain. We have this, and this is egg holder. So if you have boiled eggs for your guests and you want to serve all the eggs at the same time, you just place the eggs in here. And this is how it looks. And this was part of a set. Oops. There are many. Oops. So we have this size. We have this one. And then I don't want to carry all of them at a go because these things can break. So we have this one, and these I think are cups. So these were also part of the set. And this set was cheaper than the other one. This was going for, I think, 16 or 1800 thereabouts. So the other item, there are many. We have this lime green porcelain steel, and these were 4 of them. And you can serve in this. These ones were 800. I have this mug cup, but I don't think you can use it to drink anything, but this would be perfect if you placed your flowers here, and you can use it as a flower vase. But the color, look at the color is so dope. And also the inside is good. So this is how it is. For your flowers, this would be perfect. And this was for 50 shillings. We got a planter. Oops! Oh my goodness, that was close. So we got this planter, and this is clay. So this is perfect. You can also use it for your mucos. You can use mucos for this, and also you can use it as a planter, but it doesn't have a hole. So you can plant your plants in another container, and then you just place them inside here in this large planter. This was 600 bob. So let's do, I got 2 more. Let me show you. Let me finish here first. So we got this is also a planter, and also the best part is you can place it on top of your desk or even your table, and you're not going to be worried if it's going to spoil it, because it has this felt stoppers at the bottom. So this is how it looks, and this is perfect for your small flowers. You can even do 4 flowers using this. And then what I love most about it is the shiny finish that it has, and also the color. So if you're into maroon, dark maroon, this kind of earthly tones, this would be perfect for your space. This was for 50. The next thing, I think I'll just have to mix them up. So is this jar. It's so beautiful. I loved the shape and also the tone, the colors, they're so nice. So this is how it looks. Porcelain also, and this would be perfect for your flowers. This is how it looks. This is beautiful. This one was between can I remember? I think it was either 800 or 1,000 bob. Sorry guys, I don't have the receipts, and I can't remember all the prices. So the next thing is these small pots. Is it a pot? A canvas. The inside has the shiny finish, and this is how it looks, and this was 350 bob. So you can also use this for planting your flowers. Next one is this bottle vase. This is how it looks. I love the finish, the colors and the sheen. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. And the inside is clean. It's pretty much clean. So you can serve this. You can serve using this, or you can use it as a also like a flower vase. Use colorful vase, and this is a perfect planter. So not planter, flower vase. So you can use this for your flowers. This is perfect, and this was 650. This was 650. Still in the same line of porcelain jars, we got this beautiful, this long slender bottle vase. It's a vase. It's so beautiful. I love the shape, the size of it. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. So this is perfect for your flowers. Perfect. You can even place this on your console table. You can place it on your top of your dining table, even in your kitchen. This is a perfect centerpiece. Next, we got this jar, this vase, and I love the shiny finish to it, and then the color. This is so nice. Flower vase, this could do, and also this can even hold your mucos on top of your kitchen countertop. So this how it looks. So beautiful, and the size is good. Got this brown with some shades of, we have dark brown and light brown. So this is how it looks. The inside is also in perfect condition. Porcelain also. So, and this time around I got a lot of porcelain stuff. So if you're into porcelain, the people who got these, they were so lucky. So this is a perfect flower vase. This is how it looks. Love the blue. Perfect for cooking in the oven. You can bake stuff in this, and also you can serve in this. This is so nice. So this marks the end of the first part where we were dealing with cookware. This is porcelain stuff. So in the next episode, I'll be sharing with you some of the vases and decor items that were on sale. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends or anyone you know who might be interested in these kind of items. You can share the video with them, and if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. I'll see you next Friday. Bye.